everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to play two-player co-op games on your Nintendo Switch using your Joy-Con controllers. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So on your Nintendo Switch, you can use your Joy-Con controllers to play two-player games. So this would be one player right here, and then this one would be player 2. How would you go ahead and do that so you can play co-op games? So just on the home screen of the Nintendo Switch, let's scroll over to Settings and select this option. Now on the left side, let's scroll on down until we get to Controllers and Sensors. Then go over to the right to Change Grip/Order. Now what we can do is flip our Joy-Con controller around, and then there's two buttons right here we can go ahead and press. So your Joy-Con controller will have a plus symbol on it, and then this attachment will also have a plus or a minus sign on it, and you'll know which one to put on as a result of that. So these will correspond together at the top, and it will just make pressing the buttons a little bit easier. So let's put this one on the blue one too, and you can see the negative and the negative will line up. So now take our Joy-Con controllers and press these two buttons at the same time. Then on the screen, your controller will show up. Now let's do the same on the other blue one. Press them both at the same time. And now the blue controller is in there. So we have player 1 and player 2 now in it. So let's press A. Now let's go back to the home screen. Now here is Super Smash Bros. Let's go to that. And I have to activate my controller again. So let's press both these, and player 1 has joined, and let's see if we can just get player 2 in now. Boom! Just like that. All you have to do is flip them over and press both these buttons at the same time. Now, maybe a little bit different for some other games, but in Super Smash, that's all you have to do. So once you have both your controllers in, go ahead and start playing. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.